Hello everyone, I'm Manoj Dami and I'm presenting on behalf of my team, Nemir and Siad. The topic of our presentation is gaming. Now let's talk about what does the future of gaming look like. We all have seen that video games popularity has been surging in the last couple of years, mainly during the pandemic. In the bar graph, the orange bar which represents the year 2019 and the black one represents the year 2020. We can see the number of user increases in mobile is by 26%, on console by 21%, and in PC by 6%. Gaming is now a bigger industry than movies and sport. Revenue for gaming grew by 12% in 2020 according to the market research firm Superdata. And the future of gaming will be virtual reality, augmented reality, artificial intelligence, cloud gaming, high fidelity graphics, and obviously one of the most talked topic, the metaverse. Let's talk about gaming in virtual reality. For decades, virtual reality has tantalized gamer with prospect of fully immersive experience, but the technology has been slow to deliver on that promise. VR is still a niche category when compared to the rest of the gaming industry, and despite its posy status, it continues to keep many consumers paused. In 2020, Kevin Mack said that right now we are sort of in this through of disillusionment about VR. There was a lot of hype around in 2015 and 2016, and then whole world sort of got hot that their first generation VR headset didn't instantly morph into the holiday. Artificial intelligence in gaming. The idea of artificial intelligence has been expressed in gaming for decades, most prominently in non-player characters like the colorful Ghost in Pac-Man or the new bystander in GTA. In recent years, game makers have taken a more sophisticated approach to NPCs. Many NPCs are now programmed with behavior trees which allow them to perform more complex decision making. And the enemy alien in Halo 2, for example, have the ability to work together and coordinate their attacks, rather than headlessly beeline into the gunfire one by one like they are in a cheesy action movies. Still, NPCs can only do what is written in the code. The biggest challenge for AI is to mimic what is perhaps the most complex and the mysterious capacity for the human brain imagination. Julian Desalegn, the programming team lead of AI and the gameplay on Assassin's Creed Valhalla, told GamesRadar, having AI-generated narrative content is taking this to a whole new level. Cloud gaming. The future of gaming might take place on someone else's computer, that is to say, in the cloud. Cloud gaming offers users the ability to play video games streamed from tech companies' faraway server in the same way they stream Netflix movies on their laptops without needing to pop in a DVD first. In theory, this arrangement makes the gamer's local hardware less relevant. They can stream the games regardless of their device. And since the cloud gaming is typically pitched as a subscription service, it is moving gamers away from a mentality of owning a physical media and toward one of renting digital content. In the past couple of years, Sony and Microsoft, which have long been the console gaming incumbents, have rolled out their own cloud gaming services, as well as the chipmaker Nvidia too. High fidelity graphics, which is one of the most important part in games. In the first year of ultra-realistic graphics, video games have come a long way. PC gaming companies like Nvidia and AMD have made a great strides in creating graphics cards that allow for high-fidelity gaming and techniques like ray tracing. In the past, things like shadows and reflection and lens flare were essentially painted onto the objects within the game. This gives the illusion that the light was coming from the sun and moon and reacting as it would when it hit a surface. With ray tracing, an algorithm basically allows it to do exactly like that. The technology is expected to be a game changer, but if only customers are able to get their hands on it. A chip shortage has plagued the industry for much of 2020 and 2021. That is because due to the sudden rise in the popularity of cryptocurrency mining, which relies on the same hardware, but not all the games of the future will be designed for such realistic graphics, especially not the indie games. Some surprising benefits of gaming. At a glance, besides the downside of gaming, there are a lot of upsides of it too. Gaming can provide an individual to build some skills and make them socialize. Individuals are tend to be creative who indulge in gaming than who are not. Research and studies are done on it which provides these benefits to be true. Some potential benefits of gaming: imaginative play and creativity. In a study conducted on 12-year-old gamers, which were asked to draw, tell stories, ask questions, and make predictions, surprisingly, they all show high level of creativity, curiosity, and accuracy towards the tasks. This shows us that the games encourage creative thinking. Another one is visual spatial skills. Many games like Minecraft are set of 3D virtual world. This in turn increases the practice of visual spatial skills and can lead to better understanding of space and distance. Social connections. In this busy world, games offer the virtual playdates with their real friends. Moreover, many individuals who struggle socially have topics to discuss, which leads to build some confidence. And some other benefits of gaming are problem solving approach. In every game comes challenge and players have to take on that problem and find a solution to promote to the next level. That ability makes them to approach to the problem and not to hide from it. Reading ability. Studies shows that the individual who plays games are often to get a boost in their reading skills. This due to the instruction that appears while playing. Gaming career. A 16-year-old winner of the first Fortnite World Cup won $3 million and the other solo finalists won around $50,000 to $1.8 million each. Furthermore, there are a lot of career in the gaming industry, for instance, coding, marketing, or running events. In summary, the whole presentation was about gaming. By this we mean to say is how gaming is spreading all over the world. In addition, various things used for gaming is making it a growing industry with having AI by its side. Now it's time for Q&A of our news item. So why did we choose this topic and what interests us about it? Nowadays gaming is a growing industry and the credit goes to AI. Moreover, AI makes the gameplay more realistic and more interactive. This topic is not only in talks but also interesting due to AI and its new emerging software. Furthermore, it is fascinating at how technology has changed and how AI is used in gaming. For instance, there are virtual playdates, machine learning algorithms, and some features of gaming like cheering audience when player is not able to complete a difficult level. So why did we find this news item of value? Because this is the only topic which is appealing to the ICT industry. The reason behind this is the usage of AI in the gaming world, which is attracting more and more individuals to be a part of it. And apart from it, it is also giving opportunity to some coders and developers, and it is also promoting machine learning. How might this item affect the future of ICT? The future is clear as this is a growing industry. AI is introducing machine learning algorithms and features about it in the games. Moreover, coding recording in this set is a crucial part for it, which in turn will give chances for coders to showcase their skills. In future, there will be more advanced features of them which will not only provide the player a more realistic but also will create job opportunities for ICT professionals. At last, I want to thank our team member Nemil and Shayad. Without them, it wouldn't have been possible. Thank you.